Good morning, everybody. This is Jared Allen here with Weather Iowa. We're going to give you an update on the potential for severe weather across our area coming up during the day on Monday. Pretty significant severe weather threat expected for our area, and we're going to keep you informed with a rundown across our social media platform here, kind of give you an idea as, excuse me, as to what's going on here. Welcome to our weather studio here. We've got a tornado outbreak likely on Monday across our area. And this is what's going to be happening here. We've got the potential for some pretty significant weather across our area. Tornado outbreak, of course, possible on Monday. Pretty significant threat for our area. Level 4 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Significant storms possible in parts of north central and northeastern Iowa Monday afternoon and evening. Damaging winds, very large hail, and tornadoes, some strong, are all possible. Highest chances north and northeast with uncertainty and storm coverage farther south and west. What has changed since yesterday, level 4 has expanded westward to include Algona, the Fort Dodge area as well. So that's kind of a breakdown there. Obviously, if you have any questions, you can put those in the comments section of the page, and I'll try and answer them the best I can. But here's the timing, 1 p.m. until midnight. Storms develop in the afternoon, and these storms will quickly become severe with little time to react. Most likely location north of US 30, less certainly further south. Additional development possible in the evening, maybe more of a line of storms. So what to do at this point? I have multiple ways to receive warnings. If you've got outdoor plans tomorrow, consider postponing them and make sure you're nearby a sturdy shelter. Some strong tornadoes are possible across our area with large hail. Storm motion will be east to northeast, so look to the southwest. If you see the skies look threatening to the southwest of you during the day tomorrow, be ready for the potential of some severe weather. So we've got tornadoes, some strong, large hail, damaging winds, all a possibility for our area. Here's kind of a breakdown of the tornado situation here across our across the state of Iowa. You can kind of see, 15 to 29%. That's really high for the potential for a tornado across our area. Here's kind of a different outlook of the map, a moderate risk area. I wouldn't be surprised if some areas got upgraded even to a higher risk. That coming up here a little bit later today. So storm planning, now's the time. Now's the time to adjust plans. The day before, make sure you can receive weather alerts through your phone. Ensure your shelter is clean and accessible. Find the right place to go in case of a tornado. Now is the time to prepare. Make sure you have some things in your safe zone. The day of course, is tomorrow. Remain vigilant and aware of any active watches. A warning may be issued at a moment's notice. These are going to be quick developing thunderstorms. Remind your family of the communication plan. Know how to evacuate and get to safety from wherever you are. And when a warning is issued, you may only have seconds to take action. So keep that in mind. Obviously, the further east, northeast Iowa has the potential for some thunderstorms and tornadoes at night. Know your safe place. Make sure your cell phone is turned on when you go to bed tomorrow night so you can receive those weather alerts if they become necessary. Have a flashlight and sturdy shoes handy by your bed there. Make sure if you've got a NOAA weather, make sure a NOAA weather radio, that is, make sure it's turned on to your local station that covers your area. So that's kind of, excuse me, kind of a rundown what we can expect in portions of the area. Obviously, know where to go, know where your safe place is. If you have no basement, move to an interior room with no windows. Quickly move to your basement and bring your emergency supply kit. Top floors do not protect you. Exterior rooms with windows do not protect you. And there's no place outside is safe from a tornado. So keep that in mind. Obviously, with people being at work tomorrow, This is kind of a breakdown for employers. Obviously, tomorrow, Monday, being a work day. Some people in the area are going to be at work during the day tomorrow when this outbreak takes place. And identify shelter locations, use small interior rooms or hallways on the lowest level away from windows, doors, outside walls. Warning alerts, always know who is in the building. Create emergency response roles with backups, have a tornado alert system, store emergency supplies, keep a first aid kit, food, water, batteries, and a NOAA weather radio in your shelter. Train staff, ensure everyone knows what to do during emergencies. Conduct a tornado sheltering drill at least yearly, which obviously you should be doing that. We had Severe Weather Awareness Week a while ago. So that's kind of a guideline for employers during the day tomorrow. You're welcome, Diana. Appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe during the day tomorrow. By the way, if you have any questions, you can put those in the comments section here, and I'll do my best to try and answer those here to keep you informed throughout the day tomorrow. So, some pretty significant weather. We're going to take a look at what we're thinking as far as what's going to be happening. I am going to share my screen with you here so you kind of have an idea as to what is going to be happening here during the day tomorrow. All right, let's see what we've got. This is what the National Weather Service, I'm going to remove myself from the screen here so that way you can see a little bit better. But this is what the Weather Service is saying. This is as of 5:30 this morning. A moderate risk of severe storms is now forecast for Monday over most of Iowa. A severe weather outbreak is forecast for Monday over Iowa and nearby states. Strong tornadoes along with large hail and damaging winds will be possible. The more intense storms are expected in the afternoon and evening. They're reminding us as the media to please tell people to plan ahead, review safety plans, shelter locations, and consider where they may be during the day, Monday into Monday evening. If a tornado occurs, seconds count when getting into a place of safety. So that kind of gives you a breakdown as to what's going to be happening. So obviously now it's a cooler day across the state of Iowa, but look at tomorrow. It's going to feel, these are dew points. Dew points are going to be in the 60s, which is going to add some significant fuel to whatever tornadoes and thunderstorms that do develop. This is kind of an interesting breakdown here. We're going to switch to the significant tornado parameter. This is, I mean, obviously with the potential for some severe weather across our area, this is pretty impressive here as you get into the 6 o'clock hour tomorrow night. You've got some areas here, significant tornado parameter. I don't think I've ever seen it really this high before. So definitely a pretty serious situation. Make sure you have multiple ways to have warnings during the day. On a Monday, I'll be on the air on the radio stations in Forest City with the latest weather information throughout the day as well. We'll be keeping an eye on it with the potential for some pretty significant tornadoes. So might want to consider, if you have outdoor plans tomorrow, might want to consider postponing those to a different day and check on family and friends and relatives and make sure that they have accurate ways to receive warnings as well throughout the day today. But this is the severe weather threat for our area today. There is the potential for, there's a marginal risk of severe weather across these green areas here for the day today, which is mainly northern Iowa, which means there is the potential for an isolated severe storm later today into tonight. This is kind of an interesting feature too. This shows where the storm spotters are right now. We've got several storm spotters in the area, but I expect more storm spotters to show up in this area during the day tomorrow. Satellite, you've got clouds moving in across the state of Iowa for the day today. You go east, obviously, there's sunshine there. This is the GOES satellite, so kind of gives you an idea of what's going on here. But yeah, there is the potential for some severe weather. I mean, the further west you go, you've got potential. This is more of a slight risk area in the Dakotas here for the day today. So there is the potential for some severe weather across our area today, even with that marginal risk possible across northern Iowa, but this kind of gives you an idea of the timeline as to what's going to be happening. I'm thinking here, you get into the afternoon, so you've got this significant tornado potential. Then you get after 6 o'clock, it moves further eastward. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So bulk of the potential for severe weather will be during the evening hours tomorrow. So I'm going to we're going to switch to surface dew points, and you can watch how the dew points are going to climb, which obviously dew points, I'm going to switch to Iowa because that's a little easier to see. But here's, Sunday afternoon, you got dew points in the 40s, and then obviously the air is going to become more saturated with moisture. Look at 1 o'clock tomorrow. You've got dew points in the upper 60s across the state with warm temperatures. It's going to be fairly warm. Temperatures in the upper 70s tomorrow. It's going to feel more like July than late April. Let's even look at the temperatures at this same time period. 1 o'clock, you've got temperatures already in the 70s. You've got temperatures 83 in Buffalo Center, where I live, down to Algona. You got temperatures in the 80s. So that's just going to add some significant fuel to thunderstorms that do develop during the day tomorrow. So the main story here is to remain weather aware during the day on Monday. There is the potential. Severe weather is likely a level 4 out of 5 risk. There's another update coming from the National Weather Service. That will happen later this afternoon into the evening. 5 o'clock Sunday is when the next update. Obviously, stay with us here on Weather Iowa. We'll have the latest weather information here. That's a possibility, Richard. I can't make that decision. But yeah, I would assume that some outdoor events will probably be either canceled or postponed during the day tomorrow. So that's kind of the weather breakdown here. You can follow us on all the socials. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We're on X as well. We're Weather Iowa, local platform. We appreciate you watching here today. Obviously, I've got an ability for you. If you're interested, you can type this in the chat. I'm going to put it in the comments section right now. So if you want to receive alerts from us when we go live, you type the question mark notify in the chat, and you'll get a notify on Facebook if you're watching us here on social media. And you'll get the weather notification that we're going live with severe weather information. Thanks for watching, everybody. Everybody stay safe, plan ahead, check on your friends and neighbors, make sure everybody is safe and knows about the significant severe weather situation that is going to be affecting our area during the day on Monday. Take care. Have a great Sunday.